Amigas. Amiga is boos.
Yes.
Grote amiga is boos.
Weer is het in.
Oh, ik maak je hoofd moe.
Ja.
Oké.
Moet 1 keer de afwas doen, een hele gedoe. Van alles.
Wat doe ik? Wat doe ik? Feisty.
You're not funny. Get away from me. What is up, amiga? Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Jennyfer Ross, and I'm back at it again with yet another video. Today's video is obviously gonna be another vlog. I am about to go to the supermarket to get like a few fruits, veggies, snacks, because I was working today and I was craving all type of snacks that I don't have. I was literally the only snack on the house. That was really sad. Okay, let me stop playing. By the way, I applied a little bit of makeup today, but I feel like I look crazy. I haven't done my makeup in a while since I was sick last week, and today I did it after a long time, and I feel like I lost the ability to put on makeup. I lost all my skills. Don't know what the F is going on, but don't mind that. It just washes off with some water, so it's not a big deal at all. We're gonna go ahead and go to the supermarket. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also make sure to subscribe to my channel for more content from me. I'm planning on doing multiple uploads a week, so let me know what you think of that idea in the comments down below. And yeah, let's go to Albert Heijn.
Pero tranquila, yo soy el que te curó. Yo no saco clavo con otro clavo. Ni del amor hermoso he sido esclavo. Solo son experiencias muy hermosas. Estar enamorado es otra cosa. De usted, no hablo de lo que siento por ti, bebé, sino lo que no siento por alguien más. Te juro, mami, no es nada similar. Es que muero por besar tu piel. Me encantaría tener la fe de saber que tú eres mía, solo mi compañía y nunca.
I did it! I got all the groceries.
Besando tus labios y tocándonos lento. Sentirte en mis labios. Tú y yo pecho a pecho. Más dulce que el sabor de tu miel. No nos compliquemos, enfoquémonos en tu mirada. Tiene la chispa que tenía mi cuento de hadas. Contigo, loca, no todo quedó sin nada. Vale la pena por tenerte en mi mimada. Sé que me seduces, mi estrella, muéstrame que luces. Algo en mí siempre tú produces. Cuando con besos tú me traduces. Enamorado de usted, no hablo de lo que siento por ti, bebé.
Amiga, your girl is back home. I'm now gonna demolish this. It is watermelon. I'm so hungry. It is crazy, but I'm gonna eat this now. Like take a little break, and then I'm gonna start working on dinner. Also, the kitchen is in shambles, so I need to fix that before I can start cooking. Comment down below what your favorite fruit is. Mine is watermelon, but I also like cherries a lot. And pineapple. Oh my god, pineapple. Pineapple with a little bit of salt on top of it. Benni has learned me that. And now I cannot eat my pineapple without a little bit of salt on it. I think it's something that they do in Suriname, because I don't know. Anyways, if you have never tried that before, try it. Careful though, because you might not want to eat your pineapple without salt. Anyways, I'm gonna eat this and chill a little bit, and then I'm gonna start on the kitchen and dinner and whatnot. Okay.
Hello, Jenny.
Hello. How are you? Mwah.
I'm good. Need help?
If you want to do this,
okay.
I'm trying, but
je bent nog niet echt.
Nee.
Je hebt het nog niet echt onder de knie.
Niet echt, nee. Je maskertje af, schat. Amiga, Benny is home. Y'all said y'all miss him. Say hi to the amigas.
Hi, amigas.
Today somebody commented like, I really miss Benny in the vlogs. I was just starting to miss him.
Just starting to miss him.
Yeah, because you weren't in my vlogs for a while, so she said she was really missing. Whoa, I look sweaty, bitch. What? You did. Anyways, she said she was really missing you. I'll let you read the comments later on.
Oh, then I need to be in your vlogs again.
Yes, you do. How was work? Good?
After a long time, I could leave early.
Oh, that's nice.
Not early, on time.
On time.
Yeah.
That's how crazy it has been.
Yeah.
No. Right. Anyways, we're cooking green beans. We have sweet potatoes cooking over here. And we have little burgers in the oven. So yeah, we're gonna finish doing this. Oh my god, I look so sweaty. I'm gonna like
You don't
cool
look
off.
sweaty, you are sweaty.
Yeah, I am sweaty. But anyways, I'm gonna cool off and I'll get back to you in a little bit. Okay, amiga, dinner is ready. Here we got the green beans, sweet potato, carrots, and a burger. Alright then, whatever.
Douchie, je wil niet met me praten. Psst. Douchie. Amigas. Amiga is boos.
Yes.
Grote amiga is boos.
Weer is het.
Oh, ik maak je hoofd moe.
Ja.
Oké.
Moet 1 keer de afwas doen, een hele gedoe. Van alles.
Wat doe ik? Wat doe ik?
You're an asshole.
Hey. No bad words in the vlog.
Whatever, man.
Amigas. Every time Jenny gets mad, look how fast she cleans up the house. Like all of a sudden she knows what to do, what's not in order, and she does it very quick. Jenny, how come? You always, Jenny, how come when you get mad or irritated, you always start cleaning the house?
I don't know, because je geeft me grootspraak, daarom.
Okay, but you know how long these clothes been there on the how do they call it? The hangers? The hangers? And today you finally saw that they need to be, and you even folding them? Wow, I need to irritate you more if I want something done.
You need to go wash those dishes and shut it. And when you cook, clean the dishes right away. Then you don't have a lot of work.
You can clean the dishes too.
No,
I'm cooking.
No.
I have another question.
When I cook, I always clean the dishes.
Okay, listen. Then I'm not gonna make you any toast anymore because I don't want to.
I don't give a.
I don't want to do dishes anymore.
I don't need your toast. It's fine. I'm gonna fix my own food.
Okay. Feisty.
You're not funny. Get away from me. You're not funny. Go away. I'm really mad at you.
You're really mad at me?
Yeah.
Finally, the amigas can see you be mad at me, cause you're always kiki on the vlog.
No.
Yes. Jenny, you can smile. You
No, I'm smiling, but you're so annoying.
I'm
Go
not
away.
annoying.
Go away. No.
Jenny, do you still love me?
No.
You don't love me anymore?
love
Oh
is
my
gone.
god, finally I can find someone else. When are you moving out? See, this greedy, hungry lion or dragon. Kijk. Kijk, Jennifer. Jennifer.
much.
Draakje, dragon.
Thank you.
There is your food dragon.
Yes.
See, amigas? All of a sudden, she's not mad anymore. How can food be doing this to people? She's greedy. No, I don't want to kiss. Because you were yelling and screaming at me for no reason.
For no reason.
Yes, for no reason.
You started it.
I didn't start nothing.
Yes, you did start it.
I didn't start nothing.
Yes, you did.
lace frontal wigs and she decides to perm her hair or anything like that. Anything that is deviated from
Hello, Jenny.
Hi.
black
Can you please pause that thing?
she is automatically
Are you still mad at me?
No.
Why were you mad at me, Jenny? Tell the amigas.
Because I was hungry and you were...
Tell the amigas how you were being a little spoiled little brat.
I wasn't being a spoiled little brat.
Yes, you were.
I was hungry. You promised yesterday that you were gonna make breakfast. You promised
Hold
that you
up,
were gonna
hold
wash
up,
the dish. No,
hold
I'm not
up.
gonna hold up shit. No, no. You promised that you were gonna wash the dishes, and then when you go to the kitchen, you're like and complaining about literally everything.
What was the... Okay, tell me the things I was complaining about.
Benayo?
Tell me the things I was complaining about, Jennifer. Jennifer.
That's enough. Okay? Enough.
So, Jennifer, what are you gonna do today?
I've just showered already. Now I'm gonna get dressed and ready and go do my nails.
Okay. Okay.
Because they have grown out quite a bit.
Yes, it's time for the nails to be get done.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Since someone doesn't want me to do my own nails because he says when I do it, it's not lasting like these.
Stop the guy!
You said that.
Baby, I'm a fighter, never backing down. Baby, I'm a soldier, standing my ground. So if you're gonna find me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars. Baby, I'm a tiger, 27-8. Baby, I'm a rifle, one bite you're dead. So if you're gonna find me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars.
So, amiga, I just realized that I didn't say welcome back to the vlog. It is now the next day, and as you have seen, I started the day off like with some cleaning and stuff and just tidying up our place because Benny was giving me an attitude. Nothing serious though. Feel like I need to say that now. But I'm now on my way to go get my nails done. So this is the before, and I'm now already in the city, so I'm now gonna go towards there. I need to like withdraw money to pay for my nails, so I'm gonna do that. And yeah, after that I think I'm gonna do a little bit of shopping, check what they have at Primark because I haven't been there in forever. So I'm gonna do that and take you with me. So yeah.
One bite to dead. So if you're gonna fight me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars. Baby, Baby, I'm a fighter, never backing down. Baby, I'm a soldier, standing my ground. So if you're gonna fight me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars. Baby, I'm a tiger, 20 steps ahead. Baby, I'm a viper, gon' bite your dead. So if you're gonna fight me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars. What can I do? Gotta keep every heart safe, so we make it out alive. I don't wanna waste no time. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Try to play nice so I won't give you heartache. Trust me, baby, when I say, girl, you better walk away. Oh yeah, oh yeah. If you try to come closer, I'ma give you some closure. Before you know it, it's over. So run away, run away. I'm not trying to hurt you, but I will if I have to. I'ma tell you what I do. Run away, run away. Baby, I'm a fighter, never backing down. Baby, I'm a soldier, standing my ground. So if you're gonna fight me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars. Baby, I'm a tiger, 20 steps ahead. Baby, I'm a viper, gon' bite the dead. So if you're gonna fight me.
Alright, amiga, I just got my nails done. Look at the color. That's the color that I went for. And now I'm gonna go and see if I can get into Primark. To do it or not to do it? Like, look at that line.
Hard working every day, I'm stressed out 24/7, babe. No timeouts, wish we could fly away. You and I go to our favorite place. Oh yeah, yeah. Make special memories together. I'll be your company now and forever. I say we fly away, you and me, go to our favorite place. Feeling the sun on my face in Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. I need a summer breeze, some fresh air to put my mind at ease. No cares. You wanna come with me? Me and you go to our favorite tree. Are you ready now? We jump on a plane now. We're taking away. Yeah, we're taking away. Don't hesitate now. We're taking away. Yeah, we're taking away. We'll never come down. We're going away. Yeah, we're going away. You and me. Feeling the sun on my face in Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. We won't ever come down. We won't ever come down low. Running from a ghost town where we never.
No. Alright, amiga, I am back home. I'm now eating my poke bowl. I'm gonna finish eating this and then I'm gonna take off this makeup. I don't think I will be able to finish it all in one sitting, but then I'll have leftovers for tomorrow. But yeah, city was crazy. They took away some of the restrictions and people just missed going to the city and stuff, so it's crazy busy everywhere. So yeah, I'll do a little try on haul for you later. But first I'm gonna finish eating my food. I changed into something comfy. I also already tried on everything for you, so I'm now gonna do the little try on. First up is H&M. I'm gonna share with you everything that I got at H&M. The first thing is this t-shirt. It is from a thicker material and I really liked it. As you can see, like, I don't know if you can see that, but it's a very thick material and I like it a lot. I wanted it to be like a little bit more oversized because I have like a little leather skirt that I wanted to pair it with, but when I tried on the large, I thought it looked good with the outfit that I had on, and especially with the blazer that I'm going to show you in a second. So I decided to still go with just the large. I might go back and also get an extra large to still get the look that I initially wanted it, but whatever. I got that. Then I got this blazer. It is in a creamy white color and it has like these type of buttons that I really like, as you can see. And I just love like the oversized look, and also a white blazer is just a staple. I used to have one, but I gave to my sister last year because it became a little bit tight. I gained some weight, so I was in for a new one for a long time already. So I finally found one and I'm really happy with the fit. And then the next thing is like a two-piece set. It is these shorts in a pistachio dirty green color, I think. And then I have the matching top. It's just a t-shirt, but it's like a little bit of a cropped look, and I just love how these two looked together. I'm planning on wearing it with my green sandals that I got from Stradivarius when I went there with my mom, and I just thought it was such a look, so I'm ready to wear that during summer. The next up is Primark. At Primark I got these shorts. They are so nice. They are like from this ripped material. I hope you can see that, but they are just different and they look super good on. I loved it, and when I saw them I was like, okay, that's a little variation, because I have like the cotton ones that are only €4, but when I saw these I was like, okay, this is cute, I want one like this. And it was €11 and I got it in a size medium. Don't ask. Then I also got this pink shorts. These are also in a size medium. All the other sizes were sold out, so I decided to try the medium and it fits. So I'm really happy about that. This I'm just planning to wear it with like an oversized button up or an oversized t-shirt, something like that. But I thought it would be nice to have like something different, since I always go for black and green and just, you know, basic color. So I thought like a little pop of color wouldn't hurt. So I got that. Then next up I got this t-shirt. I really liked the frills on the sleeves. I really liked how that looked. And I think this will be really cute with just some jeans or with some biker shorts during summer. It's just like a t-shirt. You can wear this with literally anything, or a black skirt, whatever. So I thought this would be nice and it looks really cute. So happy about that one. This blouse thingy, I'm not really sure if I'm gonna keep it. I don't really like how it looks completely closed, but I do like how it looks open. And then like with a little crop top, it really looks cute like that. So I might keep it. I'm not really sure yet. How much was it? €15. I got it in a 48 for it to be oversized, but it's not oversized at all. It's still like kind of a little bit like tied to the body. So I'm not really sure yet. Let me know in the comments down below how you think this looks and if I should keep it. And otherwise I can return it. It's fine. Then I also got a pair of jeans. These are like a very dark blue wash. I really like the way they fit. It's actually, is it the first time of me buying jeans at Primark? I think so. I think this is the first time that I bought jeans at Primark, or at least in a very long time. I haven't bought jeans at Primark in forever. I used to buy jeans at New Look, but they don't have New Look here anymore in Belgium. So I needed like something else. I got a few recently also from H&M that I've been loving. But I'm still on the lookout to fill up my drawer with some more denim, since I really like wearing denim. And yeah, this is a very nice addition to my collection. It is in a size 44, by the way, if you wanted to know. And how much was this? This was only €17, as you can see. So very nice. If you all are so very curvy like me, then I definitely recommend checking out Primark for your denim. Then I got this top. It is also a very basic little top. I got it in an extra large, but it's not very It's stretchy, but it's not big at all. So yeah, I thought it looked really small, and luckily I got an extra large. And it has like these cute little buttons, and as I told you, I am on that cream white cloud right now. I really like those type of colors, and I think like they're very timeless. So yeah. Then I got another blue number, this cardigan. It is in like a, is it cerulean? I don't know what color blue this is, but a nice blue color. I love blue on me, and I thought this would be nice, especially for like colder summer nights. You have your little cardigan to put on. This was this was 19 euros, and this was the only bigger size that they have, an extra large, but I like my clothes a little bit oversized anyway, so that was perfect for me. And I think that's it for all the clothes. I also got a few accessories. These are some blue sunglasses. They are so cute. They are only 3 euros and they look amazing. I have so many already in this model, but then in different colors. But I thought this blue little number would be really cute, especially since I got a few blue things. It would be nice to match with that when I'm wearing those. Then I also got some lashes. I got like the 3D angel lashes that I always get, and also the topaz lashes. I really need to place an order on AliExpress because there is where I normally get my lashes, but ever since this Pandoodoo started, I have never ordered from them again. I really need to try to see if I can just order there again, because that would be way easier. Then I also got like 2 little lip balms. These are in the flavor vanilla and jojoba, so I figured I would try these, and I got 2. I don't know why I got 2. It doesn't really have a flavor. It just smells like vanilla, and it just smells like vanilla, but it doesn't really have like a flavor or anything, and it's nice. I mean, it moisturizes. I like it. I'm happy actually that I got 2. Yay, I'm gonna throw one in each first that I got. And the next thing I got is this humidifier. I already have one, and this is kind of a luxury problem, but I just don't like that every time that I want to use it, I need to bring it from one room to another. So I just thought it would be nice to have another one that I can put in my room permanently, and then the other one I can permanently leave in my office. Cute. They also have like a bluish purplish color, but I decided to go with the pink one. And yeah, I feel like it fits my aesthetic a little bit better, so that's it. I'm gonna try it later on, and I'll let you know how it is, but I think it's gonna be great. Ooh, amiga, it works perfectly fine. Like, I love how it works. Ooh. Can you see that? And I put like a little bit of lavender oil in there. It is amazing. Ooh, and it's cold. Oh, I like that. Yes. Then I also got like some wig caps from Jolie. I quickly stopped there to get this because tomorrow I want to try on a new wig that I got, so I needed these. And yeah, that's basically it for everything that I got. I'm now gonna put everything away, and then I think I wanna just go chill a little bit and watch a vlog. But I actually also need to wash my makeup brushes because they are so dirty, and tomorrow I want to film like a morning routine / get ready with me, and I need clean brushes for that, so I need to go wash the brushes actually.